Windows 11 includes new settings for Start menu to control the number of items in the recommendation section, but you won't find an option to remove the feature. Since we cannot remove the section on Windows 11 Pro or Home, you can disable the ability to recommended content and minimize the footprint of the interface. Hello guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel Shaem Tech BD. Today I will discuss how to disable recommendation section from the start on Windows 11. I have a request, if you are new to channel, please subscribe and stay with us. Open Settings. Click on Personalization. Click the Start tab. Turn off the Show Recently Added Apps toggle switch. Turn off the Show Recently Open Items in the Start, Jump List and File Explorer toggle switch. Once you complete the step, the Start menu will no longer show recommendation and will show an extra row of pins. Hope you understand. I have a request, if you are new to channel, please subscribe and stay with us. By watching my tutorial for more tech videos, you can subscribe.